Hey guys, welcome to my channel and this is you the perfect real girl and today we have Satyanarayan Puja at my place. So I thought let's shoot a vlog. शाम को बहुत जल्दी है. So yeah, I have taken a bath and now I'm getting ready. So stay tuned. Right. And I'm all ready. So yeah, I'm wearing sari. This is my wedding sari, by the way. So I'll show you. Wait. So yeah, this is my wedding sari, and I'm all ready for puja. And I'm back. I have changed my clothes. पूजा हो गई, खाना हो गया, and I was very tired, so I slept. And अभी उठी हूँ और अभी लोग आना वापस चालू होगा बिकॉज अभी भजन है. So yes, अब वापस रेडी होना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, अभी हम रेडी होंगे, वापस थोड़ा सा खाएंगे, फिर लोग आएंगे, फिर भजन होगा. आई कुडंट शूट, मतलब मैं पूजा में खुद बैठी थी तो मैं शूट नहीं कर पाई एंड किसी को बोल भी नहीं सकती थी क्योंकि सब बिजी थे. सो या, स्टे ट्यून्ड. बाय बाय.
2000 years later.
Hey guys, and I am ready. I'll show you my outfit. Now we are waiting for the guest. Guest आएंगे, भजन होगा and yeah, I'll try to shoot. बस बाकी तो कुछ नहीं है. So bye bye. This is my outfit. I'm wearing Punjabi dress which has dupatta. I'll take it now. I'm back. I'm super tired because I think 10 o'clock हो चुके हैं and अभी सब गए हैं. खाना हुआ, भजन हुआ, बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. I have shot a few videos, so I will post that. Let's see. नहीं, videos तो बहुत सारी बनने हैं, but ठीक है. It was tiring yet really happy day, and yeah, I think I'll end the vlog here only because now tomorrow there is nothing. It's Monday, so again week चालू हो रहा है. So yeah, weekend तो बहुत अच्छा था. Let's see, अभी coming week में बहुत सारे festivals भी हैं, so I will shoot for sure. So see you then. Till that time, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.